Big or small, the Easy Fabric Wall System is the modular solution that does it all. From inline exhibits to extra-large island exhibits, the Easy Fabric Wall System's tension locks let you build rooms, towers, and large exhibits fast. Its SEG, silicone edge graphics, mount quickly into system grooves for single walls or for long multi-wall graphics. Easy Fabric walls assemble easily by connecting the tension lock corners with a Torx wrench. For multi-walls, just line up one wall with the next and engage the side tension locks with the wrench. Single walls have 2 locks on each of the 2 sides, so each multi-wall joint quickly secures with 4 locks. To mount the SEG graphic, press it into the system groove starting at the corners and work inward. Easy Fabric wall frames are also available in welded versions. They ship assembled and are used to quickly build high-volume designs. All Easy Fabric walls use 80mm aluminum extrusion. They are offered in several sizes, including a curved wall and a curved header. Easy Fabric walls are also stackable, so you can build 2 stories tall. Create spaces with just Easy Fabric walls, or combine with any other MOS systems. You can design with various accessories, doors, mesh ceilings, lighting, monitors, shelves, and lightbox panels. Long, multi-wall fabric graphics are used for photos, for messaging, or textures. The Easy Fabric Wall System is the modular solution that opens everything to fast possibilities and amazing functionality.